The video is to guide you on how to use SQL Pos System. First, click on Login to start. Let's click on Pos to open counter. Enter the opening balance and press Open Counter. This is the interface you will see after you open counter. If you're using any barcode scanning device, you can straight away scan your item code, or you can also click on the search button. Select your item and enter the quantity of the items. After you key in the quantity of the items, click on OK. Once done, click on Payment. You can click on the notes, or you can type in the tender amount and click OK. The system will generate a receipt and you need to click OK to complete the transaction. At the end of the day, click on Close Counter, and here you can view the sales summary and click on the Close Counter button to confirm. To view report, click on the cash sales report and you can choose report from the listing.